The goal of Gaia X is to foster innovation and data sovereignty. This will be achieved by a digital ecosystem where data is made available, collated and exchanged in a trustworthy and secured environment. Gaia X develops the software components to set up a federated system that connects the participants with the help of the Gaia X Federation Services. The Gaia X Federation Services, GXFS, are the toolbox, the minimum technical set of services to set up a cloud-based data infrastructure designed for Gaia X federations to become operational. GXFS provides the means to build trust and interoperability. It ensures data sovereignty and compliance within each of its federations. But what exactly is a federation? A federation is a group of participants that work together and collaborate as equals. The federations are self-determined ecosystems where individual participants come together to offer services that add new value to the market. The federation is not owned by anyone. Its members cooperate on the basis of joint rules to create value for all. Participants can come from the same or different industries. They can cooperate to create wider ecosystems. Every participant of a federation has a so-called self-description. This is the information given by participants about themselves and their services. It is tied to a specific common data format and is protected cryptographically. In short, self-descriptions make the federation functional and transparent. A federator can be a participant of a federation or an external provider. The federator facilitates the group's coordination and provides the necessary operational federation services implementation. Besides this role, the federator is a normal member of the federation, as equal as all other participants. The federator is appointed by the participants. As mentioned, GXFS is a toolbox of services and functionalities, implemented by the federator and used by the participants of a federation. The Gaia X Federation services are developed as open source code that is not distributed by a central authority, but can be modified to build apps and services to match the specific requirements of each federation. The different service components will be covered in more detail in upcoming videos. GXFS is structured along 4 different work packages and the portal. The first work package is Identity and Trust. This work package will support with authenticating the participants in a federation and help them keep control over their digital identities via credential validation and other identity management techniques. Federated Catalog. This work package will enable the creation of a repository for each federation. In this repository, participants of a federation can find information about other participants and their service offerings. The federated catalog is capable to manage complete end-to-end scenarios, data sovereignty services. This work package enables transparency and control over how data is used. This is done through digital contract negotiation, validation and monitoring. And last but not least, compliance. This work package enables compliance checks for services offered within a federation. The Gaia X compliance framework serves as a basis for this. This will be achieved through interaction with a set of decentralized services, providing for notarization of relevant information and automated monitoring of critical compliance criteria. In addition to these work packages, the Gaia X portal will be used as an example of a gateway that enables user-friendly access to services, onboarding and accreditation of participants. In our next video, we'll take a deeper dive into each of the work packages. Welcome to the Gaia X community.